Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to change your server banner of your mobile Discord. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video and follow the simple steps. Now let's head on to our Discord mobile application. And as you can see, this is the home page of the Discord mobile app. Now let's head on to our profile here at the right side bottom corner, and this is my profile. As you can see, my banner is color pink as the moment, so let's try to click on that, and this is what you can see. So as you can see, if I tap on my banner again on the pink one, this is what going to be seen. So profile banner, as you can see, there's banner color and add banner. If I tap on banner color, you can set up the banner color that you would like to be seen on your profile. As you can see, you can choose on whatever color you would like to add. So let's select it, and it has been changed. And what we are going to do is click on that again, and as you can see here, there's add banner option. Turn your favorite photos, memes, or GIFs into profile banners. Now let's click on get Nitro, and as you can see, show up how you want with profile customization. Get Nitro again, click on that, and as you can see guys, basically this is not for free, so you need to pay for it. You need to subscribe on their Nitro plan. So here there's Nitro and Nitro Basic. So in Nitro, the features would be 500 MB uploads, custom emoji anywhere, HD video streaming, 2 server boost, custom profiles, and more. And it is for 263.99 pesos per month. So that's what you're going to pay if you subscribe to Nitro. And here there's another option, which is Nitro Basic. This is basically for 99 pesos per month, and you can avail 50 MB uploads, custom emoji anywhere, and special Nitro badge on your profile. So that's the features and the price of the Nitro that you could choose to be able to customize your server banner. So that's not for free guys, you need to subscribe for their plans to be able to avail and enjoy those features. So that's how easy it is guys to be able to change your server banner into your mobile application. So I hope you learned something new today, and if you find this video useful, please hit and give us a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell for you to get updated on your latest update. Thank you for watching.